Everyone always told me it was impossible. Everyone always told me I wasn't talented enough.
The reason that I made the team was because I wanted it more. I wanted it more than everybody else.
Everyone told me it was an unrealistic dream.
Young Richie's not a real intimidating from a size standpoint at 5'7" and 163.
But what all these people didn't know was how hard I was willing to work.
This guy will outwork everybody. This guy will make everybody around him better.
All the obstacles I was willing to overcome. What they didn't see was my character.
Best-selling author and a motivational speaker returned home today. News Channel 5's Severe Rayford reports his mission is to help others succeed just like he did.
Richie Contartesi's speech was a reminder that sometimes it takes hitting rock bottom to turn your life around.
It was amazing. A very heartfelt, touching, motivational speaker.
They allow fear to control their life. They allow what people may think about them to control their life, so they never even try. They never even give themselves a chance. I'm not sharing with you how to move around fear, how to get around fear. No, I'm sharing with you how to break through it.
His ability to speak to young kids was impressive. It really engaged them, and I know our kids got a lot out of it.
And people always ask me, they go, Richie, what was the hardest part about earning a full Division I football scholarship? Or what was the hardest part about writing a #1 bestseller? Or what was the hardest part about starting a successful business? And I always tell them the hardest part wasn't earning the scholarship. The hardest part wasn't writing the book. The hardest part wasn't starting the business. The hardest part was believing it could happen to me.
Well, I finished watching Richie speak, and I would recommend it to anybody, and we're just thrilled that we got him here.
See people over and over and over again not get what they want, not get what they deserve, not get what was given to them, and then they're laying on their deathbed and they're saying, what if? What if I would have actually tried? What if I would have actually overcame fear? Why? Because it's hard.
And the third part of the plan is what?
Today we had Richie present to our 6th, 7th, and 8th graders. It was an amazing experience for all the students. They were engaged, participating, and the words he shared with them will be carried with them way into their future and on as they become older.